What's one? So basically for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a video where I like explore Rocky Mountain National Park, and the plan is to also like check out the Bear Lake area and maybe do a couple trails around there, and then see some like the main highlights from last year. Maybe see some places I didn't get to see whenever I drove through Rocky Mountain Park last year. I'm mainly just gonna be like sticking to like exploring the Estes Park side of the Rocky Mountain National Park. If you guys want to see the video that I made last summer where I kind of explore like the whole Rocky Mountain National Park and all that, feel free to check that video out. But I'm gonna be doing some different stuff around there today. Some of the same stuff from last year, but I'm gonna try to do a lot of different stuff as well, including seeing Bear Lake. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Not going to get 20-some thousand steps into. At the bottom. I don't want to be
Wind cave we went to is 240 miles that way. Yeah, Wind cave is 250 miles that way.
Here. Didn't we do one with me and
If she can take one here.
Oh, you wanna-
Spider.
He's going away, bud.
Notice. Okay, look at the again. Smile.
I don't think we're seeing it. There we go. Some more pictures.
impeccable.
A really good friend who's just the most social guy. There we go.
Yeah. Hey, Hannah, me. It's such a nice.
It's a baby.
Where?
Okay, so it's a little after 1 now. So I'm gonna be doing like this trail around here. So basically I'm gonna be doing like this like little hiking trail that they have here. I hope you enjoy like everything I did earlier today and checking out some more views of the park. Got to see a couple of like new things I didn't get to last year. I didn't like drive around the whole park because I am gonna be able to see Bear Lake today, which will be something I did not see last year. Kind of like after I got to like the main view that I saw last year, I kind of just turned back around. So I'm gonna be planning on seeing Bear Lake around like 45 minutes from now, but it's starting to kind of rain a little bit, so it's gonna do this like short trail that they have here.
There's like nice wetlands in the mountains.
That trail ended up being much shorter than expected, but I got like a really nice view of like a creek there and this nice sitting area, nice views along the way that I got to see as well. Pretty easy hike, and rain's finally starting to calm down a little bit. It's kind of like what happened at the Grand Canyon whenever I went there. I'll keep you guys updated, and who knows what's gonna happen. Hopefully it just stays like this, but I'll see you guys whenever I make it to Bear Lake.
So realistically, that puts your odds. Does he still have his big... What the heck? Shorter than I know. Oh, wow.
Very cute.
Hide in the trees.
Don't you go out there? They're leaving me.
Being able to hike it, yeah. Can never tell. See, where's that,
Okay, so it's a little after 3 o'clock right now. So doing like another trail. Ended up like seeing Bear Lake, so I hope you enjoyed some footage I got kind of walking around the whole lake. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be seeing this like waterfall called Alberta Falls. It'd be like my first waterfall that I could see on this trip and all that, because like the past 2 summers and even the fall vacation I went to, like I saw waterfalls on the East Coast trip, so this would be kind of my kind of waterfall for this year's vacation. So it's about like a mile hike there, and then you could take like a easier half a mile trail back to like another like bus stop. That's what I'm probably gonna be doing, so it'd be like 1.5 miles total, so that's not really that bad, especially since I dealt with like Utah hiking with hikes that were like longer than this, and also like no shade at all and much hotter weather, so this will definitely be manageable if I was able to do that. So
great. I'm in the back. We hike right through it.
on the
I think that's. Or a pick.
So I ended up making it to the waterfall, got a couple pictures there and got some videos of it. So ended up like hiking in like a thunderstorm to like see this. It's like pouring down rain, but it's raining a bit, like more than it was earlier. And I forgot to like bring an umbrella with me too. So we took a tram to get to the Bear Lake parking area, and we didn't think it was gonna like rain anymore, so we didn't bring our umbrellas and kind of got caught in this. But I mean, still was a memorable experience. So hope you enjoy me doing this like kind of hike in like a thunderstorm to see this waterfall. It's definitely made a memory, and the waterfall is definitely worth seeing. Finally got to see a waterfall on this vacation, so I would say it makes me feel pretty happy. So I'll see you guys whenever I make it back to the parking area.
Oh, over there.
officially made it back now. Okay, so this is about all I'm going to be doing for today's video. So hope you enjoyed everything that I did. Hope you enjoyed me exploring more of Rocky Mountain National Park. I got to like see this like one view that I didn't get to go to last year, which I think it may have been slightly higher in elevation than the place I went to last year. Like that was by the visitor center. I also hope you enjoyed me checking out Bear Lake and seeing that, and also seeing a waterfall. Subscribe and keep my post notifications on to see what I do next. Stay tuned for the next video I'm going to be having out, because the plan for tomorrow is I'm going to be going whitewater rafting. I don't think it's going to be anything like too crazy, because it's like August and the river levels are a little bit lower than they were like earlier in the summer, but possibly sometime next summer or like the following summer I might get to like do an even more intense whitewater rafting trip. But still gonna be doing something tomorrow. It's gonna be like something similar to like whenever I filmed the whitewater rafting at the Smoky Mountains in 2018. It's possible I might see, if I do go to Hot Sulphur Springs, I might check out some places I missed in Rocky Mountain National Park that were like on the Winter Park side of the place. So that's kind of the plan for the next video, and without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Go!